In today's video, I'm going to teach you a few easy ways to insert rows and columns in Excel. The first easy way is simply selecting on any column and then to insert a column to the left of it. You can either on the Home tab, select on the Insert button and it will add it to the left. Or if you right click, you can choose the option of Insert as well and it will add it to the left. If you want to add multiple columns, let's say we want to add 3, I'm going to select on cells C, D, and F by holding the Shift key, highlighting all 3 of these, right clicking and choosing Insert, and it will add 3 columns to the left. Now, how do we do this for rows? Well, let's scroll down here and say we want to add a row here in between 21 and 22. We can either select on that row, select on the Insert option, and it will add it above. Or if we right click, we can again choose Insert. It will add it above one more time. And if we want to add 3 rows, for example, I'm going to select on 26 to 29, holding Shift. So I've highlighted all 4 rows, right click and choose Insert, and it will add 4 above. And if I choose the Insert option instead of pressing right click and Insert, it will insert it as well. And it's that easy to insert rows and columns in Excel.